スタート。
行きましょう。
今日は
ケーキクリスマスケーキを作ります。
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Chef J Cooks. Today we are making something fun and festival. Decorating Christmas cake with kids. This super easy activity brings the family together and is perfect for the holiday season.
せーの、Let's get
get
started!
We got a store-bought sponge cake, so we are decorating it with whipped cream, a cute snowman, a chocolate star, and Santa for our Christmas cake. In Japan, Christmas is more of a fun winter event than a religious holiday. Commonly, families often enjoy a nice meal at home, couples go on romantic dates, and friends gather for parties. One unique custom is the Christmas cake. Thanks to the cake shop promotions back in the 50s, eating cake on Christmas became popular across the country. The classic cake is a fluffy sponge covered in whipped cream and topped with strawberries and cute decorations like Santa. In our family, Christmas isn't complete without a cake. Store-bought ones are great, but making it together at home is always fun. I hope these little moments become warm memories for our kids. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your loved one.
せーの、メリークリスマス。まず雪だるまから食べていく。
ごちそうさまでした。美味しかった。
ごめん、ママが。
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com.